Hi, today topic of the video is how to simplify in landscape. Many times when you take a picture, the camera doing those little simplification. When you do from life, you do through your brain and to the way you see it. So I want to show you how I simplify. This is one of those paintings I do from memory. If you've seen my videos, you will know what I was talking about. So I'll show you. This is the, and I'll try to break it how I'm doing this, and hopefully that will help you in your endeavor when you're painting yourself. So without further ado, I'll show you. Let's see you at my easel. So the way I did it, you have the little small shapes here and there, and all the rest of the sky, which I will break it on the little small shapes. You don't need to be as much detail. When I show you how it was done, you can see it. I could stop any time, but I choose to add up those little details to add up a little bit more drama. Like you see it, those little subtle details, the imagination of the viewer will help to find it, define the little tree. So let's see how it was done and how I started this whole painting. And you see the finished project, and so we'll see how that goes. So I'll be right now mapping those shapes I was mentioned earlier. Proportion in this case is not important because it's a landscape and coming from memory, so whatever it is, proportion that's good. Would be different case if there would be a landscape, cityscape, when proportion is very important. Otherwise, you will have some different images. Right now, I'm masking the very quick. Just give the intention what color gonna be, and then later on I'll be developing as much I would like to have, and same with skies. A little mapping and just very quick. For this project, I'm using rag. I know some artists who are using only rag for the paintings, and they're kind of like a little blending. In that case, for me, it's just kind of very quick, little touches and very smooth areas where I want to and make a little marks. As far as composition, I decided to do this 1/3 to 2/3. When the 1/3 would be the land and trees and little hills, and 2/3 would be sky. And I will emphasize more on the skies. I was using a lot of different tools, like you see it, brushes and spatulas and squeegees, but they just the way I paint. You can use only brush, and those little marks I create with spatulas or they kind of excite me. They give you extra image, little sort of details. Like you see it right now, I'm using, palette knife. Sky looks a little awkward because compared to the hills, and this is what I'm going to show you, that those little marks make a little excitement about the paintings. And here is no excitement, so let's work on it. I'll show you my palettes. I'm not exactly clean like people putting in a sequence like they show you in the schools or the classes, but whatever works for you. This is your painting and the way you're working and operating. I'm using glass palette, which is easy to scrape at the paint, even if you work on acrylics. Super great for the oil paintings. So I'm mapping right now the shapes for the sky and the clouds. You can see it, they just kind of living areas empty, but this is the way I do. And again, I'm using the rag. You can see it. You can make a sky only using the rag. They give you this kind of like a cloudy, kind of like a sponge effect, and you can leave it like this, and the sky is just dramatic like that. But unfortunately for me, or fortunately, I wanted more drama, so I'll be add up a little bit more brushwork to it. Wearing gloves because sometimes I forgot and it's your hands are gonna be dirty. And this is my usual suspects, which I will be using for the sky. Yeah, and to make a little bit thicker, I'm using a medium called wax. So as you see it right now, sky is just fine, but I want to add up a little bit more drama, a little bit, little hard edges, created by brush and spatulas or palette knives. So that's me, but you can use it just brush or even rag to create the nice effects. It's pretty much is done. The little quick painting or sketch. There's a little like effect of rain done with a spatula. So painting is almost done, and I hope you like this presentation. Very quick, and hopefully I will be able to see you next time. Keep paintings and enjoy it. Don't worry about it. What people are saying about your paintings. All it is about process and what they make you excited. If you have any questions or interesting about different topics for me to present, give me some comments down below, and hopefully I will see you next time, and keep painting.